Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to capture a screenshot in Google Chrome. So let's get started. Let's start by opening Google Chrome. Navigate to the web page you want to capture. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. This will open the developer options on your screen. Next, you'll need to open the command menu. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. This will bring up a small command prompt. Type screenshot into the command bar. You'll see several options, but if you want a full page screenshot, click on Capture Full Size Screenshot. The screenshot will automatically download to your computer, and there, you can view it now. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.